Good morning, my dear students. Today, we are going to enjoy an appreciation of the poem Indian Viewers by Sarojini Naidu. But before to write or before to understand the appreciation of the poem, we have to keep some points in our mind that while writing a poetic appreciation of the poem, we have to remember some of the points in our mind. Then and then only it will be easy to write a poetic appreciation of the poem. I will read out the points. First point is that about the poem or poet and the title. Second point, what is the theme of the poem? Third point, poetic style. What kind of style has been used by the poet in the poem? The next point, the language, poetic devices used in the poem. Poetic devices, that is the figures of speech used by the poet. Special features of the poem. Message, values, morals in the poem. And the last point, that your opinion about the poem, your personal opinion about the poem. So, we have to keep these points in our mind and then write the appreciation of the poem. So, before to start, you have to keep some important point in your mind that there will be a fixed or a compulsory question on appreciation of the poem in the board exam. Fixed question is there. So we will start an appreciation of the poem Indian Viewers by Sarojini Naidu. Very first point is that about the title. The title of the poem is Indian Viewers, which indicates that the poem is about Indian viewers, variety of clothes that they have viewed according to occasions, events and incidents. This is the importance of title. Second point is that about the poem Indian Viewers, in which it is a narrative poem written in a form of questions and answers. The poem represents the true soul of India, the true picture of India. It also depicts tradition and culture of Indian society, particularly importance of colors during the journey of life and its stages. Colors during the journey of life and its stages. Next point is about the poetess Sarojini Naidu. The poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. She sings original song of India and hence she is rightly called as the Nightingale of India. Her poetry is marked with the true soul of India. She is known for the clarity of her thoughts. She depicts philosophy of life. In this way, the Indian poetess Sarojini Naidu is very popular. Next point is that theme of the poem. In the poem, poetess speak about three important stages of life and relates them with different colors and different parts of the day. Birth is the first stage and blue cloth is woven in the morning. Birth is the first stage and blue cloth is woven in the morning. In the second stanza, green and purple well is woven for the marriage in the evening. Means a marriage well is woven for queen at the evening time. And the last one, in the last stanza, finally, the white shroud is for dead is woven at the night time, at the midnight time. Next, the style of the poem. Style is nothing but the use of language. The poetess has used a very simple, sweet, and rhythmical language. The poem is full of musical words like plumes, halcyon, and feathers. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABAB. Figures of speech like, or the poetic devices like repetition, alliteration, simile, metaphor are major one. Metaphor is the major one. Every third line of the poem is an example of simile, and metaphor is dominant figures of speech in the poem. Next point, that is the special features used by the poet in the poem. The first one, rhythm, philosophy, symbolism are the special features of the poem. The poetess has painted the picture of Indian weavers who weaves tirelessly at different times of the day. In the poem, three stages of human life, that is, from birth to death, just as the weavers weave from dawn to night. The last point, that is that your personal opinion about the poem. Students have to write on their own. The present poem gives us true picture of Indian traditions. True picture of Indian traditions. We get clear understanding of the real sense of India. The words are simple and rhythmical, so I like the poem very much. In this way, we have to solve the question of a poetic appreciation. Just remember, this is the compulsory question, this is a mandatory question, and you have to solve the question in the board exam. It is very easy. Just remember these points, and according to these points, you have to write the poetic appreciation of any poem. Thank you very much.